Best all-natural painkillers. People quickly reach for over-the-counter medicines like ibuprofen and acetaminophen whenever they have a slight headache or muscle strain. However, daily use of these medications might cause long-term negative effects such as intestinal damage and liver failure. Consider the following natural pain-relieving alternatives before reaching for over-the-counter medications. 1. Ginger. For pain treatment, ginger's significant anti-inflammatory properties outperform medicines like ibuprofen. Ginger inhibits the development of inflammatory chemicals and has antioxidant properties that help to reduce inflammation and acidity in joint fluid. 2. Turmeric. This unique curry spice has anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting qualities. Curcumin, the main element in turmeric, is responsible for reducing the levels of inflammation-causing enzymes in the body. 3. Capsaicin. This topical treatment, derived from chili peppers, relieves nerve, muscle, and joint pain. 4. Valerian root. Insomnia, tension, irritability, stress, and anxiety are all relieved by valerian root. It reduces pain sensations by lowering nerve sensitivity. For natural pain relief and bodily pains, drink a cup of valerian tea. 6. Cat's claw. The anti-inflammatory component in cat's claw helps to limit the generation of the hormone prostaglandin, which leads to inflammation and discomfort in the body. 7. Boswellia. Boswellia has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving active ingredients such as resin. It can be used topically as well as consumed as a supplement. 8. White willow bark. White willow bark includes salicylic, which in the stomach transforms to salicylic acid, the active ingredient in aspirin. It can irritate the stomach when taken synthetically, but when taken naturally as white willow bark, it is useful in reducing pain, inflammation, and fever. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.